welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this awesome webcam that we got. It is the QCam 6000 from Genius. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that linked down in the description below. And of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so before we open up our new camera, I wanted to show you guys a bit the packaging. Here we have the front. It has down here that it is 1080p Full HD, that there is a digital mic, and let's go to the side here. Here it shows the system requirements, Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac, Linux, and then here on the back it gives some more information about the camera. Again, Full HD, that you can share pictures and videos using this camera in a really easy way, that you can use it for video calls or like family conversations in Zoom and that kind of thing. Then it also tells you like more of the specifications here. So like that is HD again and that kind of stuff that I already said. And it also gives the package contents. So the camera and the manual. It also has a universal, how is it called, honey?
It's not, how will you say it? To put in a tripod.
Yeah, like to put in a tripod, which is pretty cool. And then here we have the other side with the barcodes there. And to show everything, there's the bottom. And well, with that done, now it's time to open this up. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have the instruction manual. Let's just open this up. Here it shows like two different versions. This is the one we have here on the side. let's just fold it all out. So here it shows you like how to do like a basic setup, and also here it shows you how to put the little tripod, which we will show you in just a minute, as well as like some other instructions down there. And it also comes in many languages, so many more languages. And let's see, let's fold this up. Alright, so here we have our new webcam connected to the base. It was a bit difficult to take it out once we put it, so I'm going to have how it looked before down in the corner, either here or here, so you can see how it looked there. But once you put it on this little tripod, it is very firm and very steady, so that's good. Also, something I wanted to show you is that this can go all the way back like that on the tripod, and it can also go forward like this, and also you can turn it to both sides. And then let's go into more depth here with the tripod. So you have this, you can have it like this for a monitor or for a laptop. You can just hang it, which is pretty cool. And let's put this back. Down here in the bottom, it has that universal connection, so you can put it on a tripod if you wish. And also here in the back, let's see if it pops up more or not. There, you can see the micro USB. So here is the cord that it came with. It has a normal USB, and then it has this micro USB, which you can just plug into the back here. And well, that's it. Now it's time to check out how it is on the computer. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well, this is how the video from the camera looks. We tested it on 2 different video editor software, and we also tested it with YouTube Studio, and we saw that YouTube Studio was way better.
And we made video calls.
And we did video calls testing that too, and kind of we think that YouTube Studio and the calls are kind of better ways. So this is what it looks like, at least in YouTube Studio through Wi-Fi. We think that is pretty good. The audio maybe isn't the greatest, but we think that for a webcam it's pretty okay. What do you think? You think the same, right?
At the beginning I thought that. The thing is that we noticed that depending if we recorded the video with one video editor or another, the difference in the audio and even in the video was like huge.
Yeah.
And well, same with the video calls, and now that we are recording using YouTube, doing a private stream on YouTube. But I mean, like she said, using YouTube, for example, the quality of the audio is the best we found so far.
Yeah.
depending what video editor we use, recording video, it takes a lot of ambient noise, for example, right?
Yeah, but I think you have that with any webcam, right?
Yeah, maybe. I think it's small, like on compatibilities, right? Depending the software you use, but well, you will test it by yourself and find the best way to use it or record videos or stream.
Yeah.
But the overall quality, I think, is very good.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's good anyway. But you guys tell us what you guys think. Tell us down in the comments below. We have lots of plans for the use of this camera, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, because we're going to be doing live streams, interviews, maybe even gameplay, live streaming. Lots of things are planned, so make sure to stay tuned. Anything you want to add, Hun?
No, exactly that.
Okay. And of course, if you like this little video, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have the links to his channel down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.